Yo, welcome back to another trading recap. Um, today we took a loss and then we took a win. And the loss we took, not surprisingly, just went against our strategy. And yeah, we just should not have taken it. I know why. I know exactly why we took the first trade, which was a loss. Um, it's because of yesterday, okay? Yesterday, obviously, we did not trade, but yesterday we just went. Yesterday there was no setup. Okay, we just went up, and honestly, bro, any day like that where you know any day I don't trade, I do have a little bit of FOMO. Just because whatever, and um, I think it's mainly because I just see like TJR and then a little sometimes on TikTok of trades that other people took, and I think that just gives me the FOMO. Is like, oh, people are taking winning trades and I'm missing out. Even though like, bro, I'm not really missing out because like we know our strategy works, so we should just be sticking to it. But whatever. Yesterday, made me have a little FOMO today, and yeah, we ended up taking the short here. And basically, bro, uh, yeah, we basically let me just okay, yeah, I'll start explaining everything though. So, yeah, just looking at the chart here, I mean, I'm pretty bullish overall. Um, Believe it or not, I am bullish because, well, to me, like this move down here just looks like a retrace, and and like this high here, we're pretty close to all-time highs. Only like what 30 points. Yeah, only like 20 points away here. We were only like 20 points away from all-time highs there. So I was kind of just like, okay, this move down is probably a retrace. We are technically on the downtrend on the hourly. But like I just said, this really just looks like a retrace in my eyes. And yeah, right now it looks like we might be retracing even more. But yeah, neither indexes took out all-time highs, so it's not like we had an SMT. So yeah, it really just looked like, a retrace. So I was like, okay, bet. I guess I'll be bullish today. Where is this? Oh. I guess it'll be bullish day. Um, so yeah, marked out session high here, and then yes, this is session low. Oh yeah, it's a 4 hour. That's why. Yeah, session low here, and then we also have this hourly low and this hourly high, and this is just like equilibrium, I think, off of this. As long as I marked it right. Oops. Off of this low to this high, I think. Yeah. Um. Yeah, I don't think it got hit technically since this is it right here. Yeah, so we never. Oh yeah, we were one tick away. Okay, we were one tick away from equilibrium there. Maybe we'll go hit it now. But yeah, pretty much, bro. Market opened, and we're dumping. Big. We took out session low. We took out this hourly low. So I'm like, okay, bet. I'll. That's perfect. I want a long now. We took something out. We have a bullish bias. ES didn't take it out. So yeah, we didn't even have an hourly low, but I guess I think this would be the equivalent there. I think so. But yeah, either way, we did not take it out yet. Um, and then the next candle though, right? Or no, that was like this. Okay, yeah. And then, two candles later, bang, it's 9:45. We end up taking out session low. And that was also around the time where I was actually looking to short NQ because I was like, this is where the FOMO was. I was like, oh, maybe we're just gonna keep moving down like how we moved up yesterday. We're just gonna break past the lows, keep moving down, not have a reaction. And I was like, I don't want to miss out on that. So yeah, basically I just waited for I think ES took out the session low here, and then we moved back up. This is a 5 minute gap, and then we broke structure obviously off of this candle. And I kind of just waited for a little better entry, and I took like a 1-to-1 here. And I was just like, okay, I'll set TP1 equilibrium. I'm just gonna short because honestly, Mostly because of FOMO. If you think about it, bro, ES did take, like, if we really were gonna short, we should have waited for ES to break this low, and then we just should not have shorted at all, since ES never took out this hourly high anyways. But let's just say we were, like, we had to or something, we should have waited for ES to break this low, kind of like here. We broke the low on the 5 minute, and then we would wait for, like, a retrace. And then, obviously, we would never have got a retrace. So, um, yeah. Basically, bro, while I was in this trade, I was like, okay, we're not really following our strategy. I kind of, and ES was setting up for long, so I was like, yo, I might just cut the NQ trade off and then just enter on ES. So that is what ended up happening. I think this is, yeah, the 5 minute candle opened. Actually, this is, yeah, 10:10. That candle opened, and then bang, yeah, what is the candle retrace into? Boom. We got a fair value gap, and then probably equilibrium. Yep, and equilibrium. Perfect, bro. Looks perfect. And then, yeah, that's when I was like, okay, I'm just going to wait for a break structure. And if we get a break BOS on ES, I'll close the NQ trade and just enter on ES. So, wait, I think I forgot. So, oh, yeah, 10 a.m. happened. And this looks so good. Um, Actually, bro, so basically, once 10 a.m. happened and we like closed all the way down here, I was actually a lot more confident since we had this little move up here. I was like, yo, we might actually come down here. So I moved my stops to break even. We got stepped out break even. I was like, yo, like, oh, and then we had this candle down, and that's when I was like, bro, no way I'm gonna miss out. So then I decided to set a limit order here again to re-enter, because I was just like, yo, we just gotta stay true to the trade, no matter what. So we re-entered, and obviously, yeah, I was about to move to break even again, but I was driving. I was actually gonna do this. I was gonna move to break even when we were all the way down here, but I was driving, so I didn't end up doing that. And the reason for that is because, yeah, and ES was setting up for shorts, and then I was just like, yo, like, I want to get out of this trade. And then I was like, oh, this is perfect. We're up a little bit of money. We're actually down, down in price a little significantly. So we shouldn't go back up if we're really gonna go up on ES. And then obviously we didn't move it because we were driving, but yeah, we came back up, and then I pretty much, whenever ES broke, I exited the trade. So we got filled like here or something, and I think this was like, how much we entered with two regular contracts. We can actually see on Webull how much we lost, I think, from the first trade. Maybe orders history. Oh, here we go. There's ES, NQ. Okay, sell 2 out of 2. Oh, oops, wait. Where's NQ? What the hell? Wait. Why did I sell? Sell 2. 9:15. So that would be like 10:15. Wait, what? Yo, I'm so confused. Wait. Bro, I think I am. Oh. Wait, hold on, bro. This is very confusing for some reason. Let's just filter to today. Filled. Let's just do sell orders, I guess. There, sell orders. Wait, why does it say we sold 2 S&P contracts at 10:23? No, that was when I was trailing my stop loss, but it's because it says that we filled those. No, we did fill these after. Okay, wait. This is just tweaking, bro. Okay. Okay, sorry. Wait, this is really confusing. So, yeah, we sold 3 ES at the first take, but because I didn't even go over the trade yet. Wait, we need to be able to go over the trade first. Wait. So, yeah, we sold 2 MNQ. It says we sold. Oh, yeah, no. It's twice. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Entry was at 232. Yeah, that's 0.75. Yeah. Okay. And then we need to go to buy. Now let's just do buy orders. Okay, I entered ES and then I closed NQ. That's what I did, I guess. Okay. Buy order, here we go. At 249.00. Okay, that's sorry. Sorry for the whatever. That's where we got filled, stopped out. Or that's where we exited, I guess. Because technically that's not where our stop loss was. 16.25 times 20 times 2. First loss was 650, probably like 670, just because of fees. Actually, I don't know. Fees aren't $20. I don't even know. But yeah, whatever. 650 loss, okay? And back to where we were going. Um that was so weird, bro. It was showing my orders in like a random time frame. It was actually weird. I don't. Oh. Oh, wait, no, that wouldn't make sense. No, yeah, never mind. I don't even know. I don't know what it was doing. Maybe it was showing the time I placed them, not the time I got filled. That makes more sense actually. So, anyways, so yeah, we entered obviously. We had our 5 minute retrace, we swept session low, and then yeah. Another thing is like this little wick down, like I was like, okay, well, we actually do this quite often. I was like, okay, we might retest the low to like actually fill orders, because if you think about it, if this really like this is liquidity and it has that much orders, a little wick like this won't really fill too many. So, we came down, we stayed here a little bit, probably filled a crap ton, however many, and then we started moving up, and then bang retrace. And yeah, obviously, boom, was our breaker structure. Entered immediately. Entered with 5 regulars. Stop loss here. Take profit here. So let's see how much we were risking. We were risking 1,375 on this trade. Um, and yeah, obviously this was our second trade, so I was like, okay, if this doesn't hit, it sucks, but whatever, man. And then yeah, we ended up coming up really fast. So I was like, okay, bet, it's pretty nice. And then yeah, we sold 3 here, sold 3 contracts, and we trailed our stop very aggressively to like, I'm not even gonna look where, but somewhere like here probably. I'm pretty sure it was like right around here. We trailed our last 2 contracts. We trailed very aggressively. The only reason was because this is just an hourly high, and like I was like, okay, maybe we'll just like push past it. I was kind of hoping we would just like push past it and head up to session high. Probably would have been like another $1,000 with 2. I mean, how many points is this? So we can calculate this in my head. Would have been like an extra 700. Um, but yeah, sadly we just actually not even sadly, bro. We literally hit our take profit, so that's great. Hit this hourly high. And then, yeah, we ended up coming all the way back down. And I'm actually kind of surprised we came down this much, but ended up coming down this much and then fully reversing, hit session high. And yeah, I don't know what we're doing now. But, yeah, that's it for today. We're up, let's check, bro. Oh my gosh. I think we're up 1,300. Yes, with the loss and the win. With the loss and the win, we're up, 1,200 on the day, which is good. But, yeah, it would have been more money if we didn't take that first trade, which we shouldn't have because never followed our strategy. So, let's just lock in with, our trades. Make sure we're not taking, Monday was good. I'm really proud that we stayed out of the market Monday. Um, so today, yeah, let's just be careful. And yeah, I swear to you guys though, I was not emotional today. Like or FOMO, whatever. I guess that's emotional, but I wasn't like, oh, if this second trade doesn't hit, I'm gonna full port. No, I was like, okay, whatever. If this trade doesn't hit, we'll be down like 2K on the day, but I know I'll definitely get that back eventually, so I was not gonna stress. But yeah, okay, good day. I'll see you guys whenever we make another trade. I'm not gonna do any market analyses because we have school every single day this week. Except, yesterday we didn't have it. But yeah. I'll see you guys whenever we make another trade. Let's check. I know we have CPI Friday, so I don't think I'm gonna trade CPI, but Wednesday looks good, Thursday's good, and then yeah, CPI Friday. And yeah, pretty good. Let's just give a little weekly prediction update. I forgot what I even said. I think I said I was still bearish, but I don't know. At this point, bro, like, I guess, like, at this point, I don't think we're gonna have a big move down anymore. I mean, we're really close. We retraced up way too much. If we are gonna have a move down, like a huge move down, a big retrace, it would have been here. We would have definitely, like, if we were gonna have it, we should have just pushed past this low on this move down. But the fact that we just moved, like, all the way back up, I don't really see why or how we would move down until we take out this, like how we would move back down to like anywhere down here until we take out this. Obviously, we don't know what market's going to do, so it could do that, could move down here. But at this point, I'm pretty bullish on the week, so yeah, I think we'll be taking these out within the next 1 to 2 weeks. Maybe not this week, but probably by next week, maybe this week. We'll take out all-time highs on both, but I think NQ is a little closer, so we'll probably take it out on NQ first. But who knows? ES could become closer because we haven't hit it, and you know, Asia session could do some things, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we make another trade, and let's just stay locked in. So one last thing, I was just thinking about like how I should manage the money in the account, and like let's just say, once we get to like 50K in the account, we that means we made like 15K once we're at 50K balance. Like should we take any money out of that point? Because the thing is like I'm not going to be risking any more than I would if I had 30K. I'm not going to be doing that until we have like 200 to 300, genuinely until we have like 200 to 300K in the account. I'm still gonna be risking like 1,000 to 1,500 per trade, um, until we have like 200 to 150. Actually, no, no, no. Until we have like 200 to 300K. Actually, you know what? Just whenever we have over 150, because like 1,500, that's 1% of 150. So I'm gonna keep the same risk even if we go up to like 50K. So I was just thinking about it, and I think we might as well just take it out. But I also don't know like what we would do with it. Like I don't necessarily want to just put it in the bank. Like maybe I'll put in the S&P. I don't even know. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't know. I wish I kind of knew what to do with my money. We don't. It's not like we even have a lot though. So right now, but I guess like maybe we could try gold, buying gold. I mean, bro, we're down 5%, so which is really, really good, by the way. I'm really happy about that. We're finally making a move down on gold, which is nice. Um, so yeah, I'm actually kind of down. Like, if we get like 50K count and then we're like down here, maybe put 15K in gold. I don't know what, like, I don't think we have the margin to just buy a gold contract though, because we can check right now actually. I think it's Or I don't think 15K would be enough, is what I'm saying. Because the overnight margin is so much for some reason. Actually, it makes sense, but I don't know, bro. Hold on, bro. Why can't I? Oh, here we go. Crypto. Futures. Here we go. Silver is down 6% too. We could go in silver as well. I'm pretty sure they move really similar. Gold. Margin. Oh, you only need, oh, 19K. Okay, that's not that bad. Um, yeah, 19K isn't bad. So yeah, maybe once we get like 19K profit, we'll take that out. Or, oh, no, we wouldn't even take it out. We would just buy it. We would, I guess, yeah, once we hit like a certain amount, we'll just buy one gold contract. Or, yeah, okay, because we need the margin. I was gonna say we could do it now, but first of all, I do want to see gold move down more. I don't know if it will. I do like, daily breaker structure. That's definitely good. Like, I don't know. Maybe we'll see, what happens is a weekly gap. And then if we, do something, I'll totally look for entering gold. But yeah, I definitely want to see like this some weekly retrace, not just the daily, bro. I don't know, bro. We'll see. But I mean, okay. I don't know. We'll see. Because right now, I mean, we just tapped that daily gap. I mean, we're in equilibrium from here to here. And, oh yeah, from here to here as well. And then we're kind of like slowing down momentum. Could get an hourly break of structure. Just 8 bits type. How much is one gold future? How much is one tick on gold? I actually have no clue. Let's just go in paper real quick. How am I already down 60 bucks? Uh, okay, wait. I actually don't know. Looks like it's around like, okay, like $10 per tick. So 10, so this would be 25K, I guess, if we hit this. Yeah, I don't know though. I think I'm gonna wait. I believe so. Like, obviously, I'm not entering right now. We need to see an hourly break, but I don't know, bro. This might just be our buying opportunity. We'll see, bro. We'll see. But definitely, I mean, I don't know, bro. This would be 4.6K if we lost. That's kind of a lot of, I don't know, it's kind of a lot. And then also, I don't know about like we might want to go down more, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys though, whenever we make another trade. Peace.